Hello viewer, here is a tower shape designs. Take another shape here, keep on editing, generate the further shapes. I will take it. So let's create another shape and design. Explore the further options we have there. Find a new designs. We will edit a new shape there. So there it is. I will take some designs. Use a shape again. Use an eraser tool to remove that material and unhide the shapes under it.